Everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add vinyl record sticker to Instagram story. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the little plus icon at the top left. Then select the picture or video that you want to post. Tap on the music icon at the top. Now search for the song that you want to or choose from the given list. Tap on the song to play a snippet of the song. Tap on the play or pause icon at the bottom to play or pause the song. Tap on the arrow beside it to proceed with the song. Now drag the box to the part which you want to play. Above the box, swipe the top menu to get different options for the song. Swipe all the way to the right to get vinyl record sticker. Just like so. After you're satisfied, tap on Done at the top. Adjust the sticker as you want. Then after you're satisfied, tap on your story to post on your story. And that is how to add vinyl record sticker to your Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.